to get rid of that. At times it's not necessary. That's the big thing. Oh, that's a lovely timing, sublime timing. That's going to raise in the domestic circuit. Oh, what a shot there. And zip. Oh, once again, banging it short. And that's pulled away. There's been a big over. And that big over continues. Once again, straight as an arrow. Lovely shot, bowling fuller this time. Oh, once again, flicking that one. Wristy shot. Against both the left-handers. Getting an off spinner. Oh, straight down the ground. What a...
I believe. That's been hit. That's huge. Ishan Kishan has this in IPL as well. And here comes one. Watch out.
A well-deserved 50. Wanted to go for a big one, but mistimes it. Gets a single. Will celebrate his 50. And with him, all the crowd that has gathered here. There he goes again. Stand and deliver. Yuvraj Singh, he misses it. Oh, another shot. Beep beep, it's in the crowd. Oh, goes over the top, this time reverse. Is it in the crowd? Yes, it is. Oh,
So in rhythm.
oh, smacks it over mid-wicket this time.
Well, like this. He has been in this kind of mood. Low down. He's getting up. But he hasn't missed opportunity. 238. His strike rate going once again down the ground. And that is 100. Well played, Ishan Kishan. He has been very impressive. It's been a brilliant knock from Ishan Kishan. The southpaw, the left-hander. 100 of just 42 deliveries. And applauded, appreciated by one and all. Oh, he wants to finish in style and quickly as well. Down the leg side, that's not a great delivery. All the time. Once again, one-handed. What a strike into the stands there. Oh, he finishes in style. What a shot. And winning by 10 wickets. Row safety 11. What a big win. What a comprehensive win for them. And he's delighted into the stands. Taking that one, Ishan Kishan.